Some just don't sit right with my spirit in these eyebrows. Hi guys, it's Amaya. So today's video, I attempted to do my eyebrows, and these are the finished brows. I honestly feel like they don't even look bad. Like part of me feels like I snapped. So now what? And let me know if you guys like my makeup. I can do a tutorial on it. I don't know, I just really like my eyebrows. I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm very excited to see how I go about doing my brows, like the longer we're in quarantine type of thing, because I definitely want to start doing my own eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, so my hair is kind of a mess right now. Please do not mind that. But I'm going to attempt to do my eyebrows because it's been a really long time, and normally around this time I would get my eyebrows done. So we're just gonna try. I got some razors from the dollar store. I don't know how smart it was of me to get these from the dollar store, but alas, here we are. Okay, I'm gonna take this black eyeliner. I'm kind of going like the same way that I would fill in my brow, I feel like. This one goes out further than this one does, but I kind of want my eye shape to be more lifted. Not me trying to face map my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna start like shaving them, like period. That's what I'm gonna do, because this is as thick. Like this is pretty thick, I feel like. So, and I feel like, okay. I'm just gonna start shaving. I'm just gonna start shaving. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. This shit is not sharp. This one from the dollar store ain't shit. So I have another one, and I'm gonna like alcohol it because I used it already. I'm going to thread my eyebrows, and if you see me crying, it's because I am. So we are kind of getting somewhere. I know it don't really look like it, but I swear we are. Okay. I'm going to take some from here, just here, and then I'm gonna take some just around here, I think, and see where that gets me. We are getting somewhere with this eyebrow. I see it. I see the vision, okay? You might not see it, but I certainly do. And with this one, once again, you know, this one is the struggle brow. So I don't see the vision for this one, unfortunately. Some just don't sit right with my spirit in these eyebrows. It's just, what is it giving me? It's giving me, you need a brow lady. No, I see it. I see it now with this eyebrow. I see it now. I think this is a little too high here. Yeah. I think this is it. And I wish I could like clean up right underneath here like that, and like right here and stuff, because I hit that with a razor when I definitely shouldn't have. Let it be like this. And I was thinking maybe I should cut some of it off. Sure. Let's just do it. Why not? Like period, I guess. I think I might, I feel like this one is too long. Do I want to cut it? Yeah, and then I would take off this part, but I'm a little too scared. Or should I? Actually, no, I could. I really and truly feel like this is like, I'm not mad at it at all. This is what my eyebrows look like with like them filled in. They look really dark right now because obviously I don't have any other makeup on, so it's just like my eyebrows, like just in your eyes. But yeah, and right here is really sensitive, so I need to put some aloe on it or something. Like I really pulled the hell out of that. Anyway, but yeah, I'm not mad at my eyebrows at all. I'm kind of feeling them a little. Like we can, like I can work with this. These are eyebrows that I can definitely work with for sure. So tomorrow I'm gonna do my makeup like full face and everything, and then we'll see. These are the finished eyebrows with like makeup on and everything, and like it being concealed and stuff. And I really like how they look. Like I said in the beginning, like I really enjoy how they look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was not a tutorial, so please don't take it as such. We were out there struggling, but I think I made it work. So period. And let me know if you have any requests. Like I'm down to do whatever. I have so much time now. I'm not in school anymore. Anyway, I'm not in school anymore. I'm on my summer break. Period. Okay, it was a long 4 months. Like that second term killed me, and that was crazy. Like my second term killed me, but I'm glad we're back. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.